you guys? It's your girl Keyana Talented, and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys different ways that you can style a braided wig. So I'm not even going to, talk too much. Let's just get started right into this video. Alright, so first things first, you are going to need some things in order to, achieve these styles. So first of all, you're going to need your very own braided wig. If you guys do not have one, check out my description box. I actually have a video on how to create your own realistic braided wig. And then I also have a video to show you guys how to actually install your own braided wig. And now here we are with the styling portion of the braided wig. So actually into like the hair accessories that you'll need, you'll probably want some, bobby pins. Is these the bobby pins or hair pins? Whichever ones these are, but hair pins will probably do too. And then you'll also need some hair ties. I have the smaller ones, and then I also have, like a jumbo headband, but just make it into, a smaller hair tie. And then you'll also need some little black rubber bands. You can use the color ones if you want to have fun, or the clear ones, whatever. But those are just some of the supplies you will need. You guys saw in the beginning of the video how I just popped this wig on, didn't use no hairspray, no nothing, didn't adjust the baby hairs. They is just what it is. As you guys can see, popping this thing on was extremely easy. So I'm gonna show you guys some basic styles, and then just some more styles that for the more advanced, extra AF popping females just like me. Also, another thing you'll probably want is like a headband or like a hair tie for one of the styles I'm going to show you. Now I actually do not have like a nice looking headband or like a hair tie that I want to use in this video, so I'm going to show you guys with these pair of leggings. Like, these are legit leggings, okay? And I'm going to show you guys how to make this into a nice fancy headband for a style that I'm going to do. But first we are going to start out with the basic styles. So let's jump right into it.
you